So here's how we can turn off the charging limit on the iPad. Let me guide you through it and explain how it works, because there are some nuances depending on your iPad model. But let's get into it. Subscribe if you're new and let's get started. So you open up your settings app and the battery section is somewhere closer toward the top of the list. So it should be easy to be found, especially running the iPad OS 26. It is right there. So you can get inside and manage the battery usage and turn on the low power mode and so on. But as you can see, it heavily depends on the iPad model that you currently use, right? So on the official Apple's web page, it is going to show you the apps. I'm going to actually link it below. These are the iPads, actually iPad models, which support the charging limit. So it's not like every single iPad does support it. Only a few models, the latest ones, of course, but on those, you will have the ability to just go to this section, tap on the battery health in here, and turn on the 80% limit. Right, so this is how we can do this. As I said, I'm gonna link all of the things below in the description, so the official Apple resources can be right below. But the point is that not every single iPad is gonna support it, but those that do can find it inside of the battery and then inside of the battery health, and then you will be able to see exactly how you can limit the battery charging and set it to 80% limit and so on. So that's definitely something that you are interested in. So if you have the iPad which does work with it, you can explore those options. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below about this. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your feedback and sticking till the end with me. Thanks a lot. I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads.